Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best Ring security cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Ring Indoor Ring Security Camera. Apart from the usual high-end offerings from Ring, you can also find comparatively affordable security cameras that can be a great entry-level smart camera option. The Ring Indoor Cam Security Camera comes at the first position of this list since it is the cheapest option stated here, making it a great pick for buyers who are on a tight budget. Even at its entry-level price tag, you get a fairly high resolution of 1080p FHD. Because this is a budget-oriented security camera, it is primarily made for indoors usage. Since you will be using it indoors, this security camera relies on plug-in power as its power source. Pros: highly affordable security camera. Works with Alexa Assistant. Offers 2 talking functions. Cons: cannot be used outdoors. Number 2. Our second best pick is Ring Spotlight Ring Security Camera. If you do not want a large-sized light for the outdoors around your home but just want a basic one for lighting up the area in front of the camera, Ring has also got you covered for the same. The Ring Spotlight Cam Security Camera can be a viable option if you wish to get a unit that is made for outdoors usage but still includes handy features. Starting with its recording options, you can record up to 1080p FHD video using this security camera. One of the best things about this Ring camera is that it relies on battery power, which eliminates the need for any wiring or power adapter. Other than having its spotlight at the front, you also get siren alarm and Alexa support in this camera for versatility. Pros: inbuilt spotlight for illuminating video feed. Offers a siren alarm for security. Compatible with Amazon Alexa Smart Assistant. Cons: needs to be charged again and again. Number 3. Our third best pick is the Ring Floodlight Ring Security Camera. While not everyone might be able to afford high-end Ring security cameras, they certainly offer unique features, making them handy for specific use case scenarios. This Ring Floodlight Security Camera comes at the third position of this article because it is one of the most unique and a highly versatile camera option. Just per the name, this 1080p HD camera also comes with side-mounted floodlights for using outside your home. Since you will be installing this security camera outdoors, it relies on hardwiring so that you can securely mount it. Some of its other unique features include things like siren alarm, 2-way communication, and even a motion activation option. Pros: works as a floodlight as well. Handy motion activation feature. Great image quality over Wi-Fi. Cons: highly expensive Ring security camera. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Ring Spotlight Cam Wired Ring Security Camera. At the position of this listicle, there is yet another security camera from Ring that comes under its Spotlight lineup that ensures proper visibility and image quality at all times. Unlike most other Ring security cameras, this one from Ring is ideal for both indoors and outdoors usage. As for its power source, it relies on plug-in power, which is to be expected from an indoor unit. Thankfully, the video feed offered by it is still transmitted over Wi-Fi. Talking about the video feed, you can record at up to 1080p FHD resolution using this security camera. You can also find other handy features like a built-in spotlight, siren alarm, and 2-way communication with this security camera from Ring. Pros: ideal for both indoors and outdoors usage. Offers 2-way communication support. Compact unit with an inbuilt spotlight. Cons: a bit on the expensive side. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Ring Stick-Up Cam Solar Ring Security Camera. Those of you who are looking for a Ring security camera made for outdoors usage can go for solar options, which do not require any wired power source without needing to be charged again and again. Ring's Stick-Up Cam Solar Security Camera is one of the only few options that combines a solar panel and an inbuilt power as a power source for high reliability. Other than being ideal to be installed in any spot of your choice, this Ring security camera also supports a standard video resolution of 1080p FHD. Although, since this camera has a separate solar panel unit, installing it in compact spaces is not viable. Since a solar panel uses sunlight for power, this camera is only ideal for outdoor usage. Pros: requires no external power or charging. Perfect for outdoors usage. High image detail over Wi-Fi. Cons: not ideal for tight spaces. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.